Welcome to another Kevin's English School's English learning video. Today we have a radio play called The Lost Watch. Listen to the play and try to understand. Each character speaks English but comes from a different part of the world. In the comments below, please tell us if you could understand each character or not. In the bustling streets of New York, 5 strangers find themselves united by an unexpected event. Jack, a New Yorker, has lost his watch and is desperately looking for it. Characters: Jack, male from New York; Nina, female from Russia who speaks English; Raj, male from India; Emily, female from Northern England; Liam, male from Australia. Scene: a busy street in New York. Jack looks distraught as he scours the sidewalk for his missing watch. S1. Oh no, where could it be?
Excuse me, you look worried. What happened?
I've lost my watch. It was a gift from my grandfather, very sentimental.
Oh dear, losing something special is the worst. Where did you last see it? Thank you. It's a silver wristwatch with a black leather band and an engraving on the back. A lost watch? What does it look like? Maybe we can help.
I remember having it when I walked past that coffee shop over there.
No worries, mate. Let's retrace your steps. You never know, someone might have picked it up.
Sometimes people leave found items at the nearest store. Let's ask in the coffee shop. Excuse me, have you seen a silver watch around here? Passerby. No, sorry, haven't seen anything like that. Narrator. The group begins to search the area, asking passers-by if they've seen the watch.
Good idea, Raj. Let's split up. Some of us can check inside and others can search the sidewalk.
The group divides, covering more ground. Jack's anxiety begins to show, but he is encouraged by the others.
No luck in there, but they'll keep an eye out.
We'll find it. Don't lose hope.
Hey, is this it?
Yes, that's it. Oh, thank you so much.
The watch had fallen into a small gap near a storefront. Raj found it while carefully scanning the area.
Well done, Raj. I'm so glad we found it.
I can't thank you all enough. You've saved something very precious to me.
Just another day in New York, mate. Glad to help.
It was a team effort.
The 5 strangers, brought together by chance, share a moment of triumph and camaraderie. They part ways, but the kindness of that day lingers in their hearts. And so, in the heart of New York, a lost watch brought together 5 people from different corners of the world, proving that even in a big city, humanity can shine through the smallest acts of kindness. If you enjoyed our radio play, please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. We hope you enjoy learning English.